Unraveling the mystery. What is a parade assembly area? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound complex at first but is quite straightforward once you get to know it. Parade assembly area. Whether you're participating in a parade or just curious about event organization, this video will shed light on what this term means and why it's important. Let's get started. To fully understand parade assembly area, we need to break it down into its components: parade and assembly area. Parade. This word typically refers to a public procession, often celebrating a special day or event, where people, floats, or marching bands move through a designated route to entertain or honor something. Assembly area. An assembly area is a designated spot where people gather or meet up for a specific purpose before starting an activity together. When combined, parade assembly area refers to the specific location where participants of a parade gather and organize themselves before the parade officially starts. It's essentially the starting point of the parade, where all the magic begins. You might wonder why we need a specific area for assembling before a parade. Well, the parade assembly area is crucial for several reasons. Organization. It helps in organizing the participants in the correct order, making sure the parade flows smoothly without any hitches. Safety. Ensuring all participants are accounted for in a designated area enhances safety, providing a controlled environment before stepping onto the parade route. Coordination. This area is also where last-minute instructions are given, and participants can synchronize their actions, ensuring the parade is a visual and logistical success. Understanding the function and importance of a parade assembly area is essential for anyone involved in planning or participating in a parade. It's where the groundwork is laid for the event's success. If you ever find yourself in a parade assembly area, you'll experience a buzz of excitement and anticipation. Participants might be adjusting their costumes, practicing their routines, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. It's a place of community and camaraderie, where the excitement of the upcoming parade is palpable. We hope this video has enlightened you on what a parade assembly area is and why it plays a crucial role in the success of parades. Remember, the next time you watch or participate in a parade, the assembly area is where all the preparation and anticipation comes together, setting the stage for a fantastic event. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this explanation helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.